I'm Mark Stevenson from WMH Robotics. We're an automation partner in the Midlands for a distributor for UR5 and OnRobot. And we create simple systems for automation that helping the customer give a self-deploy system. So generally in the automation world at the moment we have the 3Ds, dull, dirty and dangerous jobs. Nobody wants to do them anymore. With the OnRobot sanding head, we can literally solve that issue. And without using that manual input, the robot can do it all for you. Within about 10 minutes you can program that system as well. And today we're showing off one of these applications that people don't like to do. It's a dangerous, dirty job. And we struggle at the moment in the UK, I think, for people to find members of staff to do this job. This robot and the sanding head from OnRobot allows companies to do such a simple job with using this system. So the configuration is we're using a UR5 robot on a 7th axis slide, but with the OnRobot sanding head with it, which is just literally a plug and play system. You connect it in and within 10 minutes you can be up and running. To picking and placing, palletising, they can literally change that system over very rapidly. We work with OnRobot because it's such a good partner for the UR system. It's a plug and play system and the robot recognises it through the UR cap instantly, so we can change heads from a sanding head to a gripper and it will recognise it instantly without any of the pneumatics or anything else involved.